Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Play Store on Huawei Mate X6. Let's begin. So obviously you cannot really download a Google Play Store on basically any Huawei phone, since the Google services are banned for a while now. But there are some options. We don't want to know. There are two options, and both of these are applications you can find on the app gallery. First one is called the Gbox, and I believe that it's more popular one. And the second one that I personally used is called Gspace, which they both do basically the same thing. For the purpose of this video, I think I'm going to be using Gbox, though I'm curious about the ratings of these apps. Yeah, I'm going to be using Gbox in order to download basically anything Google related. So let's simply hit install, and we want to ignore the recommended, since why would we care? And we can hit open. We need to agree to user agreement and privacy policy. And as you can see, to improve the stability of apps and notifications, please enable necessary permissions. So we can click check, and we can give our Gbox access to media files on our device. And now we can simply just go into Google Play Store, as it is already installed when we install our Gbox. Though we'll need to log in to our Google account. So let's quickly do that. It's really funny how big the keyboard is when the phone is in pad mode, iPad mode, whatever. That's hilarious to me. Fun fact: you don't have to manually type in gmail.com each time. Okay, and now I will input my password here, and we should be logged in. Yep. And all we have to do is just I agree. And now, as you can see, my device is contacting Google, and we have our Google Play Store. And in here we can basically find and search and download anything we want. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.